Hello, today I would like to demonstrate on what to do if you stripped out a hole like this. You can either go with a bigger size, so compare these two to each other. You'll see this one is much thicker, so you could simply screw this in, and then that's how you can fix the problem. Or option number two, you could simply take a piece of wood, cut it with a simple saw. You can have any saw as long as you can hold it or clamp the piece of wood. I happen to have a piece of wood this thick that is pretty much the same diameter as the hole. And so what I did was I pre-cut this one. I just simply cut it with my saw. Now, then all you need tools like, here, let me put this away, like this knife. And then all you do is you put it on a little board like you slice tomatoes, and then you keep on slicing. Slicing. And then I usually do the bottom end first, kind of like you're sharpening a pencil. And I like doing this against the board. That way I am keeping my fingers away from harm's way. And so yeah, I'll just speed up this video now for time's sake. Now, I'm sure there are simpler methods to make this happen, but this is the most cost-efficient way. If you happen to have an X-Acto knife, you could simply carve yourself a little dowel like this, and just, then you could fit it in. Later on, what you'll have to do is drill out a hole to this diameter, and then screw this back in, and then it will be just as strong. But let's do the glue up right now, and that's it. Let me show you how I'm doing now. I'm using a hammer and some glue. That's it, and I'll let it dry, and then yeah, that's what it looks like. Then later on I will drill it out, and then we're good to go.